Ancient Egypt, a land of pharaohs and pyramids, a civilization shrouded in mystery. For centuries, the ancient Egyptians worshipped a pantheon of gods and goddesses. These deities played a pivotal role in their lives, influencing everything from the Nile's floods to the pharaoh's rule. But were these gods merely figments of their imagination? Or could there be a more extraordinary explanation? The Egyptian pantheon was vast and complex, with each god possessing unique powers and attributes. From Ra, the sun god who sailed across the sky in his solar boat, to Osiris, the god of the underworld who judged the dead, these deities were integral to the Egyptian worldview. They were not seen as distant ethereal beings, but as active participants in the earthly realm. These gods were often depicted with human bodies and animal heads, a symbolic representation of their divine attributes. This unique iconography has fascinated scholars for centuries, leading some to question its true meaning. Could these animalistic features be indicative of something more than mere symbolism? The ancient Egyptians believed that their gods had descended from the stars, bringing with them knowledge and technology far beyond human comprehension. This belief, etched into their texts and depicted on their temple walls, raises intriguing questions about the true nature of these divine beings. Could these tales of gods from the stars be evidence of extraterrestrial contact in humanity's distant past? The Egyptian gods were not simply passive observers, they were active participants in the lives of mortals, wielding immense power and knowledge. Their feats, recounted in myths and legends, often defied the laws of nature, suggesting abilities far beyond human capabilities. These tales of divine intervention have led some to question if these were merely elaborate myths or accounts of advanced technology mistaken for supernatural phenomena. Take, for instance, the god Thoth, the scribe of the gods, credited with the invention of writing, mathematics, and astronomy. His vast knowledge and intellectual prowess seem to surpass the limitations of human understanding, even by today's standards. Could Thoth's advanced knowledge be evidence of extraterrestrial influence, passed down to humans from beings far more advanced? Then there's Imhotep, not a god, but a mortal man who rose to prominence during the Third Dynasty. He was an architect, physician, and high priest, credited with designing the step pyramid of Djoser, a revolutionary architectural achievement for its time. His vast knowledge and skills in various disciplines led to his deification after his death. Was Imhotep simply a genius ahead of his time, or could he have been privy to knowledge gifted by beings from another world? These are but a few examples of the extraordinary abilities attributed to Egyptian deities and those associated with them. Their feats of technological prowess, architectural genius, and advanced knowledge leave us pondering. Were these simply products of human ingenuity, or could they be echoes of a time when ancient astronauts walked among us? The possibility that ancient civilizations like the Egyptians might have been visited by extraterrestrial beings is a concept that has captivated the minds of researchers and enthusiasts for decades. The ancient astronaut theory, as it is known, posits that these beings, mistaken for gods by our ancestors, imparted their knowledge and technology, leaving an indelible mark on human civilization. Proponents of this theory point to the numerous similarities found in ancient cultures across the globe: monumental structures aligned with celestial bodies, tales of gods descending from the heavens, and advanced knowledge seemingly beyond the capabilities of primitive societies. These uncanny resemblances, they argue, are more than mere coincidence. The Egyptian civilization, with its advanced understanding of astronomy, mathematics, and engineering, is a focal point for these discussions. How did a civilization that emerged from prehistory construct such awe-inspiring monuments as the pyramids, structures so precisely aligned with the stars? Could the answer lie beyond our planet, in the realm of extraterrestrial intervention? The ancient astronaut theory, while intriguing, remains a topic of debate. However, the sheer volume of unexplained phenomena, coupled with the compelling evidence found in ancient texts and artifacts, makes it a theory that cannot be easily dismissed. Could the Egyptian gods, those enigmatic beings worshipped by millions, be evidence of ancient astronauts who shaped the destiny of humankind? Section 4, Gods and Little Green Men, bridging the gap between ancient myths and modern UFO sightings. When we think of aliens, images of flying saucers and little green men often come to mind. These images, popularized by science fiction, are a far cry from the majestic deities worshipped by the ancient Egyptians. But could there be a connection between these seemingly disparate concepts? Could the gods of ancient Egypt be the same beings that we today associate with UFO sightings and extraterrestrial encounters? Proponents of the ancient astronaut theory believe so. They argue that our modern perception of aliens is shaped by our current understanding of technology and the universe. Ancient civilizations, lacking this framework, would have interpreted these encounters through the lens of their own cultural and religious beliefs. Consider the descriptions of gods descending from the heavens in chariots of fire. Could these be ancient accounts of spacecraft, their advanced technology misinterpreted as divine power? The similarities between ancient myths and modern UFO sightings are too striking to ignore. Moreover, the Egyptian gods were often associated with celestial phenomena. Ra, the sun god, traveled across the sky in his solar boat, while Nut, the sky goddess, embodied the celestial vault. Could these be symbolic representations of advanced spacecraft, their movements through the cosmos, inspiring awe and wonder in those who witnessed them? The gap between ancient myths and modern UFO sightings might not be as wide as we think. Could it be that we are witnessing the same phenomenon, interpreted through the lens of different eras and understanding? Section 5. Echoes of the Cosmos, unraveling the mystery of Egyptian artifacts. The ancient Egyptians left behind a treasure trove of artifacts, each one a piece of the puzzle that is their civilization. From towering pyramids to intricate hieroglyphics, these remnants of the past whisper tales of a civilization far more advanced than we give them credit for. But could these artifacts also hold clues to extraterrestrial contact? Take, for instance, the enigmatic pyramids of Giza. These colossal structures, built with astonishing precision, have baffled archaeologists and historians for centuries. How did a civilization lacking modern technology quarry, transport, and lift massive blocks of stone to create such architectural marvels? Some researchers believe that the answer lies in alien intervention. They point to the precise alignment of the pyramids with the stars, suggesting an advanced knowledge of astronomy. Could the pyramids have been built with the help of extraterrestrial technology? Their construction a testament to the ingenuity of both humans and those who came from the stars. Then there are the numerous depictions of strange objects found in Egyptian hieroglyphics. From what appear to be flying machines to beings with elongated skulls, these carvings have fueled speculation about extraterrestrial encounters in ancient Egypt. Could these be artistic representations of the gods who descended from the heavens, their advanced technology captured in stone for eternity? The artifacts left behind by the ancient Egyptians are more than just relics of the past. They are tangible links to a time when humanity's understanding of the universe was still in its infancy. By studying these artifacts, perhaps we can unlock the secrets of our past and unravel the mystery of ancient Egypt's connection to the cosmos. Section 6, A Leap of Faith, examining the evidence and skepticism. While the idea of ancient astronauts visiting Earth and influencing civilizations is a captivating one, it's essential to approach such theories with a healthy dose of skepticism. Critics, primarily from mainstream science and archaeology, argue that the evidence presented is often circumstantial, open to interpretation, and lacks the rigorous scientific scrutiny required to substantiate such extraordinary claims. They contend that the achievements of the ancient Egyptians, while impressive, can be explained through human ingenuity, resourcefulness, and social organization. The construction of the pyramids, for instance, is attributed to sophisticated engineering techniques, skilled labor, and a hierarchical society capable of mobilizing vast resources, not alien intervention. Furthermore, critics argue that interpreting ancient myths and religious texts as literal accounts of extraterrestrial encounters is a misinterpretation of their symbolic and metaphorical nature. Myths, they argue, were a way for ancient civilizations to explain the world around them, to impart moral lessons, and to preserve their history and cultural identity. While the ancient astronaut theory has its share of critics, it's crucial to remember that the absence of definitive proof doesn't necessarily disprove a theory. The search for knowledge is an ongoing process, and what we perceive as impossible today might be proven true tomorrow. The debate surrounding ancient aliens serves as a reminder to keep an open mind and to question conventional wisdom while grounding our exploration in scientific rigor and critical thinking. Section 7. The quest for answers. Where do we go from here? The question of whether the Egyptian gods were actually aliens is a tantalizing one that has sparked countless debates and fueled the imaginations of generations. While we may never know for sure if ancient astronauts did indeed walk among the pharaohs, the pursuit of this question leads us down a fascinating path of discovery. This exploration compels us to re-examine our place in the cosmos, to question the narrative of human history as we know it, and to acknowledge that our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving. The ancient astronaut theory, regardless of whether it's ultimately proven or disproven, serves as a powerful reminder of the vastness of the unknown and the importance of keeping an open mind. It encourages us to question, to explore, and to never stop searching for answers. As we continue to probe the mysteries of the universe, both within and beyond our planet, one thing remains certain. The quest for knowledge and understanding is an essential part of what makes us human.